Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing tonight? Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share a couple more of these journals with you real quick. And if you saw my previous video on the travel journals, I won't repeat the story. I'll just say go watch that video so we can save our, I can save you time, I can save me time. So I'll just get started on a flip through. These are I'm calling them map journals. Okay, because the covers are made from maps. And they're made with National Geographic maps that I found at a thrift store, and I found the whole set one day, and I just thought they were beautiful when I got home and opened them up. I couldn't believe how pretty they were. So I made these journals out of them, and there was this little part right here that I made the journal cover out of, was down in the bottom right hand corner. And I just cut that out, used it for the cover. So let's go ahead and get started with a flip through so I can make this video quick for you. But what I'm doing is redoing listings where these were all listed. I have like 13 journals, and I listed half in one and half in another. So I had them all listed in 2 listings, but I just didn't really like it. After a while, I just decided to do separate listings for each one because I don't feel like people could really see what they were getting, you know what I mean? And couldn't really see how great these journals really are. So I wanted to get, some nice pictures in my Etsy and just let people see all the, pretty pages I put in here and ephemera and everything. So anyway, this is Alaska. On all of them, they have that pretty map piece. You see how pretty that is with the huskies and the mask, the wood mask. Here's some glacier or icebergs or whatever in the ocean. Here's a little boat over here. And then this is the front of, or the back of the sled. So super pretty little cover. This cover had a lot of blue in it, so I used blue stitching and blue thread in this one. And it's zigzag stitched around. So we'll just get started with the flip through. I did use cardstock to back all of these journals, the covers, and then I put pockets like this on the front and the back covers. So in this pocket I have this little sticker, Northern Adventure, appropriate for, Alaska, and very pretty. A playing card, a little picture here of something built, architectural type looking old building, cute picture, and a bunny. This is from a memory game that I have. So I wanted to put fun stuff in here, just not all map related, want to have some fun things in here. So like this is from the National Geographic map, this first page. And then we have some ledger that folds out. Turtle scrapbook paper here, really cute little turtles on here. And on the back I have a pretty paper clip with a guest check. And just, I know I'm repeating myself if you saw the last video, but in case you didn't see the last video, I got to repeat a little bit, right? So, and this is going in the listing too, where I, link the video. So I kind of have to explain for whoever might be coming from my Etsy shop. So anyway, this guest check is lined on the front and back. This is some of my blue dyed paper right here, so pretty. And then here is some double-sided scrapbook paper just made into a little page there. And this is some also double-sided scrapbook paper. These are both cardstock. This one actually is really super thick, which is different. I don't even remember where I got this one, but very thick on that one. But the other one is also cardstock, just not as thick. So this is graph paper here. This is from a 2006 scrapbook calendar, and this one has fish on it and little like starfish right here, and looks like driftwood. So really cute. This is some regular map paper, and then this is a pocket made from pages from a travel brochure, and this travel brochure I have is gorgeous. So I really wanted to use some of the pages, and you can see here's one here. Zigzag stitched together. Lots of goodies in here. Let me just see if I can pull them all out real quick and show you. just in case you didn't see the last video. I think I got it all. So here's washi tape that I put in this one. It's wrapped around a piece of a playing card, and it's airplane washi tape. This is from a travel card, from Travel Cards. I don't think it's really a game. It's just little cards with traveling tips on it. So I'm not sure what the tip is on this one, but the front part here says history lesson. And see, they put a tip on the back about traveling. So I just thought those were fun. I made one of these cards for all the journals with a little, it's a little like memory game I have that has different, the pictures on the cards are so pretty. Like, look at this one. They're different, you know, they're scenes from a foreign country. And I'm not sure which one because it doesn't tell me right here on the card, but I love the pictures on here. I thought they were so pretty. And I put a little ball chain on there just for fun. Maybe you can hang it as a charm or something. But I just thought that was fun. We'll put that in there. That's in that pocket. This is some blue lined paper here. And this is another piece from the scrapbook calendar. And this one says at the beach. We've got a beach ball there. So those are super, super cute pages. This is I'm calling this patchwork turtle scrapbook paper, but there's fishes on here too, so really pretty with the blues and greens. And then this is some scrapbook paper that is just kind of vintage looking. And then this is a piece from page from the travel brochure. Just really neat pictures in there, and I thought that was so pretty. You know, really neat pictures. And then here's a piece of the National Geographic map, and here's the middle with the pretty page from the National Geographic map. And then graph, so we're on the back half here, so I'll go kind of quick here. Since you've seen the other side, you kind of know what to expect back here. This is a fold out. Another fold out there. There's lots of writing room in here and places to, you know, enter your whatever you want, writing, pictures, mementos. Let's see, I put some stickers. Sorry if I stuck my head in there. Trying to see in that pocket. So I've got some stickers, just little fun stickers. This is this one looks like that. This is a little Eiffel Tower. So those are stickers. This is a black and white photograph that I got at a, let's see, this one I got at a antique store or a thrift store. I'm not sure what she calls it. She's got a bunch of old stuff in there. That's all I know. This is another flashcard, set of flashcards I have. And this one is the word river. And see, here's, you're supposed to say, look at this side, I guess, and say that's a river. And there it is, the answer on the other side. So just some fun stuff. Let's see, what else did I put in here? Some postage right here, and some stickers, which are picture corners. Really neat and fun to use those. And then so the rest of the back half here, I'm going to go through quickly. Fold out. Another fold out. Isn't that paper beautiful? I love, love, love that. How that came out. I blue dyed that myself. Some more of the turtle, which is a fold out, the ledger, and in each one I put an airmail envelope. So this is the airmail envelope in this one, and I have just in case you didn't see the last video, I have two pieces of cutoffs here that you can have fun with. You can make tags, you can make journal cards, writing spots, you know, collage, whatever you want to do with these. There's quite a bit there to make. You can make an envelope even with that if you wanted to. So very fun papers from this journal. And then in the back pocket here, I've got a used postcard. They're all the postcards. I think I put all travel related ones in here, but this is a hotel room from, looks like the 70s, or yeah, this really looks like 70s. And then here's the back. This says 1969 right there, so that's pretty cool on there. So an old postcard, vintage. some more of that those note cards that I put in one of the last ones too in the last video, that you can take these apart and use them separately and, you know, make pockets or whatever you want to do. Some Monopoly money to spend on your vacation. And a little shaker tag here. This one has blue, green, I think it's mostly blue, different colors of blue and green sequins. And I've sewn it, you know, really cute. It's got starfish on this one, tied right here. So super cute, right? So that's that one. And I have one more to show you in this video. I'm trying to only do 2 per video because I have 13 of these journals that I had made, and I, you know, don't want the video to be too long. So as I'm redoing these listings and listing them separately, you know, instead of the 2 that I had all of them listed in, I'm doing a little video, you know, so whoever, you know, wants to look at them in my Etsy can just see, you know, what they're getting exactly by looking at this flip through. So this one is Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, West Virginia. You can see the pretty patriotic picture here on this side. This one had blue, so I used blue zigzag stitching on the outside here. Here's the back of this one. Isn't that pretty? Here's that little statue here. It's so pretty. I love it. There's a flag and just all kinds of neat stuff there. So as we open, we have a pocket. Now these maps, when I got them, they were vintage also. So just so you know, these were made from vintage maps. This is a little card, and this says cruise ship on it. And aren't these pretty? I just love those. Wish I had some more. This is from that memory game, so this one has a penguin. This is the playing card in this one, and this is the little picture in this one. Okay, and we've got our map and the ledger, just like the last one. The turtle with the guest check here. The turtle scrapbook paper, isn't he cute? The little short page of scrapbook paper. I made these like tags. So this side looks like a tag and the other side looks like tag. I thought that was cute. And the blue dyed, the scrapbook paper, graph, the patchwork turtle and fish. And there's a map page. Pretty map, isn't it? Graph, the scrapbook paper calendar, blue lined, and here's the first pocket in this one. Let me see if there's anything different in here. Same things are in here, but like these are all different pictures. Here's the one on this, the picture on this one. Really pretty something. There's like a canal or a river with a pretty building there. And then the travel tip in this one, Jet Set Pets. It's about pets, traveling with pets, I guess. Super cute little cards. And then there's another scrapbook calendar page. And the travel brochure, scrapbook here, and here's your pretty map in the middle. Gorgeous. And then we're on the back half. So we'll flip through here real quick. What's different in here? This flash card is autumn on this one. Pretty, right? And everything else in there is the same except for there's some stickers in this one. Let's see if I can grab the stickers. They're tiny, teeny tiny back down in here. Okay, yeah, I got them. And the, well, there's photo corners in here too that are they're all a little different. Photo corners I put in each one. I guess I had a set of those and I just cut them apart for each journal so I could put some in each one. And that's the autumn card you just saw. So we'll get that back in there, and then I'll show you the stickers. There's postage in there too. You know what that looks like. There's a little owl sticker here. And this one is kind of like a castle. Looks like a castle. So those are both in there. For fun, And then we've got, so let's see, are we on the back half? Yeah, I think we already passed the middle, so did we? I'm confused now. Okay, blue lined the scrapbook calendar, graph, map, patchwork turtle and fish, graph and scrapbook paper. Here's the blue dyed and the turtle, and now we're at the very back. There's the ledger, the fold out envelope with the scraps, like just exactly like what I showed you in the last one. Same type of thing. This one has the Monopoly money, the little shaker pocket with sequins. We've got, let me see, I think I'll see something different here. Let me see what I got in here. You know, if I ran out of something for you know, at a certain point I had to use something different. The charm is a little different on this one. Let me show you the charm on the shaker tag on this one. It's a little circular charm. Really pretty though. So you saw the Monopoly money. And this is, oh, this is a postcard. Okay. So this one has, it's a little, you know, piece there that's missing, but these are old. These are old and vintage. Like the last one was 1969. This one is, I think this says 1960. It's either 66 or 68. I think it's 68. So that's pretty old. So no wonder it has a little kind of a damage right there, but that's okay. It's just fun because it's old and you get to see the old 70s hotel rooms. There's a, look at, there's even an old car right here. That's pretty cool to see the old car parked there. And the old style hotels, I mean, I guess there's some old ones around, but you know, they've redone a lot of them by now, so it's probably not even around anymore. And there's a receipt in this one. That's what's different. Something a little different in this one. So that's cool. So that's good. That's it for now. I'm going to be back with another two, and we'll get through these. I hope you don't mind, and I hope you're enjoying seeing the different ones, you know, and especially the covers are so cool. I just love these covers. So enjoy. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Happy crafting. Thank you. Good night.